Today, we're going to take a journey to the most dangerous planets in the universe, from scorching hot temperatures to toxic atmospheres. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the top 10 most dangerous planets in the universe. HD 189733b. This exoplanet boasts a mesmerizing azure blue hue, but don't let its beauty fool you. The winds here are the fastest known in the universe, almost 7 times the speed of sound. And the cool blues you observe from space are glass-sharp silicate particle fragments flying across the planet. And that's not it. The temperature in this world goes over 1000 degrees Celsius, making it a living hell, not a place where life can exist. WASP 76b is an exoplanet that falls under the category of hot Jupiters. It is located in the constellation Pisces, almost 634 light-years away from Earth. An interesting fact about this planet is that it experiences iron rains, which is quite unusual. Due to being tidally locked, one side of the planet is always facing its star. The equilibrium temperature of WASP 76b is approximately 1886 degrees Celsius. The extreme conditions on this planet make it a challenging environment for any potential life forms. Gliese 436b, a planet with a surface temperature of 438 degrees Celsius. Here, you might expect to see oceans of magma, but this planet is something else. It's a world of burning ice. The pressures on this planet are so intense that the ice can withstand burning temperatures. And ice here is an exotic form of ice called Ice 7, and it's orbiting so closely to its star that its atmosphere is being blasted into space, leaving behind a comet-like tail 14 million kilometers long. HR 5183b. This massive gas giant is 3 times the size of Jupiter, which is already pretty mind-blowing. But here's the kicker, its orbit is totally off the charts. It takes this planet 74 years to complete one rotation around its host star, and it goes from way out past Neptune all the way in close to Jupiter. Astronomers think another planet in the system might have flung HR 5183b into this insane slingshot path. I'm talking about a planet that's doing a cosmic slalom through the solar system. Gliese 1132b is a rocky exoplanet 41 light-years away, similar in size and density to Earth. It orbits its red dwarf star every 1.6 days, receiving intense radiation. The planet's atmosphere was stripped away but is now replenished by volcanic activity, containing hydrogen, hydrogen cyanide, methane, and ammonia. With a surface temperature of 232 degrees Celsius, Gliese 1132b is uninhabitable. 55 Cancri is an exoplanet located around 40 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Cancer. It is officially known as 55 Cancri and is believed to be made almost entirely of diamonds. This super-Earth has a mass of about 8.63 Earth masses and a diameter approximately twice that of Earth. It receives intense radiation, with temperatures on its day side exceeding 1726 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt iron. Initially, it was uncertain whether 55 Cancri was a gas giant like Neptune or a rocky terrestrial planet, but subsequent observations suggest it may be a carbon-rich solid planet, potentially containing diamond due to extreme temperatures and pressures in its interior. WASP 12b, a scorching exoplanet, orbits WASP 12, situated about 1,200 light-years away in the constellation Auriga. Detected via the transit method in March 2009, it's dubbed an ultra-hot Jupiter for its hair-raisingly close orbit, completing a lap in just 1.1 Earth days. Its nearness subjects it to brutal radiation and tidal forces, stretching it and siphoning its atmosphere at a rate of 10 million joules annually. Its surface sizzles at roughly 2,210 degrees Celsius, hotter than the Sun's surface. Buffeted by fierce winds, it conducts heat from its dayside to nightside vigorously. WASP 12b faces a grim fate, hurtling toward its star due to tidal forces, possibly in 3 million years, much earlier than previously thought. With an atmosphere nearly 3 times Jupiter's radius and 40% more massive, its carbon-rich composition hints at its uniqueness among gas giants. Upsilon Andromeda B is a fascinating exoplanet that exhibits extreme temperature variations, being described as a world of fire and ice. This distant planet, discovered in 1996, is a hot Jupiter gas giant that orbits very close to its star, Upsilon Andromeda, located in the constellation Andromeda. One side of Upsilon Andromeda B is scorching hot, with temperatures ranging from 1,400 to 1,650 degrees Celsius, while the other side is chillingly cold, dropping to as low as -20 to 230 degrees Celsius. When a massive star goes supernova, it destroys everything in its vicinity. But it often leaves behind the dead core of a star, known as a neutron star. Some neutron stars emit beams of radio waves out into space, known as pulsars. About 2,300 light-years away, a billion-year-old pulsar PSR B1257+12 appears to have 3 potentially zombie planets, born from the ashes of the dead. The first one is called Draugr, a rocky world smaller than Mercury. The other 2 are the first exoplanets ever discovered, the Poltergeist and the Phobter, rocky planets more than 3 times the mass of Earth. The surface of these zombie worlds would be showered with charged particles from the pulsar, potentially illuminating the night skies with dazzling auroras. It would be a sight to behold. And finally, we encounter PSOJ 318-522, a rogue exoplanet adrift in the vastness of space. Picture a planet with no parent star, left to wander through the cosmic void. With no significant heat source, it's subjected to the bone-chilling temperatures of interstellar space, making it a desolate and inhospitable realm.